Imagine this: you're at a cozy cafe, sipping coffee, working on your laptop using the free public Wi-Fi. Everything seems perfect, until it isn't. Your data, emails, passwords, memes, is traveling out into the internet, completely unprotected. Now zoom in, there's a hacker at the next table. He's not just checking Instagram. With a sneaky hook, he's snagging your unencrypted traffic like it's fishing season. Open envelopes float through the air, your private info, just waiting to be intercepted. It's like whispering secrets out loud in a crowded room. Anyone listening can hear. Even seemingly harmless actions like checking the news or logging into a shopping site can expose personal data. So, what's the superhero cape your internet traffic needs? A VPN, virtual private network. Think of it as a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. Your data goes in plain, but comes out safe and sound. It hides your traffic from snoops, creeps, and cafe spies. You're not just sending info, you're sending it in disguise. A shield on that tunnel? That's your VPN guarding your privacy like a digital bodyguard. Let's look at what happens without a VPN. You connect to Facebook, type in your password. I love you, ah. But instead of love, what you get is exposure. That password travels in clear text across the web. Enter our nosy squirrel, perched on the data line, eyes wide open. It sees everything. Your digital hugs, secrets, and crush confessions. Basically, you're yelling I love you across a digital highway, and even woodland creatures are listening. But now turn on your VPN. Same password, same internet, but a big difference. Your data zips through a secure tunnel, like a spy sneaking through back alleys. The squirrel? Still curious, but now it's got binoculars, and nothing to see. The message is locked up tight, no peeking allowed. With a VPN, your internet traffic becomes a mystery to the world. It's not magic, it's just smart security. Whether you're sending a casual emoji or sensitive work files, that extra layer of security matters. It's protection in a world that's always watching. Ever tried watching Netflix abroad only to see this content is not available in your region? It's like being locked out of your favorite party. But VPN changes the game. One click and boom, you're virtually sipping coffee in another country. Suddenly, your shows are back, and the TV says welcome instead of not found. Streaming, gaming, and chill without borders. So yes, VPN is your digital passport to entertainment. These days, working from your couch is the new normal. But office secrets still need protection. VPN creates a secure path from your home to your company network. It's like having a private highway that only you can drive on. So whether you're in pajamas or power suits, your data stays protected. In a remote world, cybersecurity is no longer optional, it's essential. VPNs aren't just for cafes and Netflix, they're a lifeline for activists, journalists, and anyone under surveillance. In some countries, governments monitor every click. A VPN scrambles your digital footprint, so you can speak freely without fear. During protests, VPNs help organizers communicate safely. No backdoor spies allowed. It's digital armor in places where free speech comes at a cost. For many, VPNs are not about convenience, but survival. Let's talk VPN types, because not all tunnels are the same. First up, Remote Access VPN. Picture a digital nomad, working under a tree, connected to their office through a secure tunnel. This type is great for individuals needing to connect safely to a private network from anywhere. Freedom and security, a perfect combo. Remote access VPNs are typically used by employees working remotely, so they can connect securely to their work networks. It's like getting a key to your office, but you don't even have to leave home. They're also great for freelancers and consultants who work with different clients. Next up, site-to-site VPN. Imagine two office buildings across the globe shaking hands, digitally. A secure tunnel connects both networks, so employees can work as if they're in the same room. Encrypted messages move between offices like sealed envelopes with golden locks. It's perfect for big companies with multiple branches that need to share info safely. The beauty of site-to-site VPNs is that they can securely connect entire office networks across vast distances, making them crucial for multinational companies. They reduce the need for duplicate data centers and simplify internal communication. It's like building a secure bridge over a busy digital river. Then there's mobile VPN, because we don't sit still anymore. You're on your phone, hopping between Wi-Fi and mobile networks. Mobile VPN keeps the tunnel alive through it all. Conversations, apps, and messages stay encrypted. Even if you change networks, your connection doesn't break a sweat. It's like having a bodyguard who runs beside you, keeping you safe wherever you go. This is vital for field workers, delivery teams, and people on the move. Your work doesn't pause, and neither should your protection. Ever wanted to stream music and access work securely at the same time? Meet split tunneling, the best of both worlds. Your traffic forks, one path heads securely to your bank, the other casually plays Spotify. Sensitive stuff goes through the VPN, the rest doesn't clog up the tunnel. It's like sending your secrets in a vault and your dance music in a shopping bag. It helps optimize internet speed while still keeping what matters protected. Perfect for multitaskers juggling security and fun. Why pay for a VPN when I can use a free one? Well, free VPNs often come with hidden costs. Sure, they look appealing until you realize they're logging your data, slowing your connection, or giving you only 2 servers in faraway lands. It's like getting a free taxi ride but being dropped off in the wrong city, with your luggage stolen. Always read the fine print. If you're not paying for the product, you might be the product. Some even inject ads or sell your browsing habits to third parties. Free is tempting, but risky. Now let's talk paid VPNs, the VIP section of online privacy. With a good paid VPN, you get faster speeds, stronger encryption, better support, and more server options around the world. No logging, no creepy ads, and you actually get what you paid for, peace of mind. Think of it as upgrading from a leaky umbrella to a fortress with Wi-Fi. You're not just buying a service, you're investing in digital peace of mind. If you learned something new or just enjoyed our doodles, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, more fun tech tips are coming your way. Stay secure, stay curious, and maybe don't trust squirrels with your passwords.